Do you know that cardiovascular disease is the leading cause of death worldwide? Well, more than half a billion people are struggling with heart disease. Coronary heart disease has affected about 1 in 20 adults aged 20 and older. Almost 0.8 million people have a heart attack each year. Moreover, 1 in 5 heart attacks are silent. I know this data is shocking for you, but this is the reality of heart disease worldwide. But don't worry, you can prevent heart disease by making some lifestyle changes and dietary habits. You can take a proactive step to avoid any heart problem, or if you are suffering from a heart disease, then this video could really help you to get a great extent. Hello and a warm good morning to everyone. I am Dr. Amisha. I heartily welcome you to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel. Here you can learn more about health, the treatment of disease with a natural and holistic system of medicine, and dietary tips that help you to recuperate from your disease. In my today's video, I will be discussing how fasting and a heart-friendly diet can prevent any cardiovascular disease. I will give you some science-backed knowledge and my own clinical advice that will help you to maintain better heart health. So, let's begin with what heart disease is. It occurs when arteries becomes clogged with plaque, restricting blood flow into the blood vessels. This can lead to high blood pressure, heart attacks, or even strokes. But here is the good news. Lifestyle changes can have a great impact on your heart health. Now, let's talk about fasting. There are several fasting methods to lower blood pressure, blood cholesterol, and blood sugar. You can choose what suits your body best. The first is intermittent fasting. It has gained massive importance recently as several studies shows its benefits in lowering blood sugar and improving insulin sensitivity. It improves blood pressure and thus maintains better heart health. You can have a 16/8 hours fasting window in which you have to fast for 16 hours and eat within 8 hours. The second is OMAD, means one meal a day. See, it is for those who are perfectly healthy and just want to take a proactive step to prevent any heart disease. You just need to have a single meal in a day for 24 hours. You can take electrolytes and coconut water to avoid any electrolyte imbalance. The third is 24-hour weekly fasting. You need to fast on each day of the week. Again, you must ensure that you are eating a proper balanced meal to avoid deficiency of any nutrients. This type of fasting will help you to lower calorie intake and improve your gut microbiome. Now, let's come to the benefits you may get if you follow a fasting routine. Fasting helps improve blood pressure, which is a risk factor for heart disease. Chronic inflammation is linked to heart disease, and fasting helps reduce inflammatory markers. Fasting reduces bad cholesterol and increases good cholesterol, which reduces the risk of clogged arteries. High blood sugar can damage arteries, and fasting helps stabilize insulin levels. Here, I have shared how fasting can help you prevent heart disease. Now, I will talk about the heart-friendly diet that you must add to your healthy diet regime. You should consume plant-based protein that will help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart functions. You should include healthy fats such as omega-3 fatty acids in your diet. You can consume walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, and basil seeds. Green leafy veggies are a good source of powerful antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. You can add a salad of cucumber, carrot, and beetroot. Low sodium foods will greatly help you maintain better heart health. Try to take low fat dairy if you are fond of dairy products. You should consume vitamin C rich fruits like oranges, quinoas, and grapes that help protect arteries from damage. Try including whole grain foods in your meals instead of plain carbohydrates with less fiber. Well, I have discussed the role of diet and fasting in preventing heart-related disorders. However, you need to worry about your heart disease as it can be easily treated with a natural and holistic system of medicine. Unlike modern medicine, which causes several side effects and eventually advises surgery, homeopathy treats patient holistically considering their constitution, meaning their psychological, physical, emotional, environmental, and genetic aspects. Homeopathic medicines alongside diet can bring a significant improvement in a patient's condition without causing any side effects. Homeopathy is absolutely safe and effective. These medicines are well tolerated by our system as they are light and come in small globules dipped in potentized alcohol-based medicine. No doubt, homeopathic medicines improve your energy levels, maintain overall immunity, and heal the disease from within. Bharat Homeopathy has a proven track record of satisfied patients who have successfully recovered from cardiovascular issues through our personalized and customized homeopathic treatments. Our team of experienced doctors thoroughly analyzes medical reports, patient conditions, and diseases to provide the best possible homeopathic care. We are dedicated to offering holistic relief without any side effects, helping you achieve better heart health naturally. Experience the power of homeopathy and see significant improvement in your condition in less time. If you have any questions about heart disease or homeopathic treatment, feel free to call and consult with us today. I hope you found my video helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related videos. Thanks. Stay healthy, stay happy.